Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Safeco insurance profile, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Safeco insurance profile, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Safeco Insurance homepage. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. On the Login page, look for the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to the Password Reset page. Enter your email address associated with your Safeco account in the provided field. Click on the Submit button to request a password reset. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Safeco. Open the email and find the Password Reset link. Click on the Password Reset link. You will be taken to a secure page to create a new password. Enter your new password in the first field. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria. Click on the Reset Password button to finalize the change. You will see a confirmation message that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Safeco Insurance login page. Enter your email address and your new password. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, review your profile to ensure all information is accurate. If needed, update your profile information. Remember to log out after you have completed your changes for security. You have now successfully reset your Safeco insurance profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.